First ball of the innings. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in all cricket.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. They're back one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's into the gap. It should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he goes to the field. Plays and misses. Pacer introduced from the other end. Score.
Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery. There is a need to add extra cover.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Outside the inner circle.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Bowler will have to be extra careful off the line and bowls to the speed.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. He hit the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Edge and taken. A brilliant piece of bowling. It took the edge and flew away to the fielder. Spinner into the action from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover. Not just for a single.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. Can he do it again?
Has walked back to the wicket.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Gone straight into the hands of the fielder.
They would definitely have the score in their mind.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the speed.
strokes it into the gap for a single. That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Edge, and it's gone for four. Last ball of the innings coming up.
Missed that completely.